Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Teora Palasutungga from class M2. Today, I will read aloud a report text, The Washing Machine. Enjoy the video. A washing machine is a home appliance used to wash laundry automatically. Before this invention, people had to wash clothes manually by hand, which was a very tiring and time-consuming task. It is now considered an essential invention that makes household chores much easier. A washing machine works by using an electric motor to spin a tap wheel with water and detergent. The mechanical action of the spinning tap helps to remove dirt and stain from the fabric. Most modern machines are fully automatic, meaning they can fill the water, wash, rinse, and even dry the clothes with just a press of a button. The main advantage of a washing machine is efficiency. It saves a huge amount of physical energy and time. While the machine is working, people can do other important tasks, such as studying or cooking. It ensures that clothes are cleaned more thoroughly and dried faster, which is especially helpful during the rainy season.
Title: The Washing Machine. Definition: Home appliance for automatic laundry. How it works: use an electric motor, water, and detergent to spin and clean clothes. Features: fully automatic, can wash, rinse, and dry with one button. Benefits: save time and energy, allows multitasking, and cleans more thoroughly.
That's all for my video. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum.